Welcome to Worldy Global. This video is about Admiral Trivet's warship. Before enjoying this video, please give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Admiral Trivet is a Project 1155 large anti-submarine ship of the Russian Navy, known in the West as an Udaloy-class destroyer. The ship is named after Vladimir Filipovich Trivet. Launched in 1983, Admiral Trivet serves in the Russian Pacific Fleet and has taken part in operations alongside the naval forces of other nations like China, India and Japan, and as part of a peacekeeping force in the Middle East between 1992 and 1993. Admiral Trivet is the sixth ship of a class of 12 Project 1155 frigate, also known as the Udaloy class. The vessel is designated as a large anti-submarine ship in accordance with its primary mission of countering submarines and a destroyer by NATO. The vessel is 163 meters, 534.8 feet, long with a beam of 19.3 meters, 63.3 feet, and a draft of 7.8 meters, 25.6 feet. Displacement was 6,200 tons, 6,102 long tons, standard and 7,900 tons, 7,775 long tons, full load. Power is provided by four 23,000 kilowatts, 31,000 horsepower, GTAM-9 propulsion complexes, each comprising a 6,300 kilowatts, 8,500 horsepower, M62 and a 16,800 kilowatt, 22,500 horsepower, HPM, 8 kF powering two fixed-pitch propellers which gave a maximum speed of 29.5 knots, 55 km per hour, 34 miles per hour, cruising range, 12,745 kilometers, 7,920 miles, at 14 knots. To combat submarines, Admiral Trivet mounts two quadruple launchers for 8 missiles in the metal anti-ship complex along with two RBU 6012 barrel rocket launchers for close-in defense. The ship is also equipped with two quadruple 553mm, 21.8 inches, CHTA 53 1155 torpedo tubes for 5365K, set 65 torpedoes. A hangar aft accommodates two Kamov Ka-27 helicopters for anti-submarine warfare. Protection from aircraft was provided with 8 3K-95 Kinzhal missiles mounted in vertical launchers supplemented by 100mm, 4 inches, AK-100 EP guns and 4 30mm, 1.2 inches, AK-630 Gatling guns. The vessel is equipped with the MR-760 frigate MA. NATO reporting name top plate, air surface search, MR-320V Topaz V, strut pair, air surface search and MR-212/201 Viger tune navigation radars along with MR-350 Podcat and K-12-1 fire control radars. The MGK-355 Polynum sonar complex, combining horse jaw bow mounted and horse tail variable depth sonars, is complemented by two MG7 Braslid anti-saboteur sonars and the MG35 Still 2 underwater communication system. Admiral Trivet was laid down on the 19th of April 1980 and launched on the 26th of March 1983. The ship is named after Vladimir Filipovich Trivet. She was accepted into the Pacific Fleet on the 15th of February 1986 and attached to the 183rd Anti-Submarine Warfare Brigade. The ship served in the Indian Ocean in 1987, visiting Aden, South Yemen, and 1990, visiting Penang, Malaysia. Between the 5th of December 1992 and the 23rd of May 1993, the vessel undertook peacekeeping duties in the Persian Gulf, followed by a lengthy modernization at Dalzavad, Vladivostok that lasted from March 1994 to March 2003, resuming service between 10 and the 15th of February 2004. Admiral Trivet joined Varyag on a visit to Incheon, South Korea, to celebrate the centenary of the battle between Varyag and the Japanese fleet during the Battle of Kimulpo Bay. In 2005, the vessel took part in joint exercises with India, visited Tanjung Priok, Indonesia, Singapore, Sattahip, Thailand, Da Nang, Vietnam, Victoria, Seychelles and Klang, Malaysia, took part in exercises with Moskva and Puerto in joint exercises with the Japan Maritime Self-Defense Force alongside Admiral Panteliev, following a visit to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, in April 2012. The vessel joined sister ships Admiral Vinogradov and Marshal Shaposhnikov for joint exercises with the People's Liberation Army Navy. In February 2021, the ship conducted exercises in the Sea of Japan. In late December 2021, Admiral Tribets, along with cruiser Verayag, left Vladivostok for a long deployment, consisting of port calls in several countries. On the 11th of January 2022, the warships entered the Indian Ocean and called at Kochi on the 14th of January 2022. In February 2022, in the context of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, Admiral Tribets entered the Mediterranean Sea, along with cruiser Verayag and tanker Boris Butoma, joining the permanent task force of the Russian Navy in the Mediterranean Sea. In July 2022, Admiral Tribets, Verayag and intelligence ship Vasily Tatishchev became the first Russian Navy ships operating in the Adriatic Sea since 1995 Volk's deployment amid US bombardment of Bosnia and Herzegovina. In late July, destroyer Admiral Tribets operated off Sibernik, intelligence ship Vasily Tatishchev operated near Island Pelagruza, cruiser Verayag operated near Ders, while frigate Admiral Grigorovich remained just outside the Adriatic Sea. As the US carrier Truman was located in the Adriatic Sea at the same time, there were reports in media about Russian warships simulating blocking the US carrier in the Adriatic Sea. In October 2022, Admiral Tribets, Verayag and Boris Butoma departed the Mediterranean via the Suez Canal, returning to Vladivostok on 18 November. As always, please make sure that you like and subscribe for more videos.